Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Lazy Investor Zone. Let's see like how market may react tomorrow. So today, as I told you yesterday, the day range, like when the market is trading within the day range of yesterday, so I don't want to take any kind of trades here. But then could see that there is one point where the yesterday's lows has broken, so 17,224 has broken here. So here actually I took the trade on the short side, but then it was like a stop loss hit, so I just booked small loss because when this day lows has got crossed, so I just entered the trade and my target is around 17,150. But then I haven't reached my target, so it made a low of 17,193 and then once again it hit my stop loss. So after that I haven't taken any trade in the Nifty. The same thing happened in the Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty at one point of time, so it crossed the high of the previous day and it's like a fake one. So here actually I haven't taken the trade, but yeah, it has given the opportunity, like it crossed around 37,000 and then just moved for 50 points. So but then the Bank Nifty, it remained within the candle here as well. So both Nifty and Bank Nifty, there was no major change of range from the yesterday. But then my view for tomorrow is like I'm looking for short side below 17,200. So 17,200, if it crosses 17,200 or else if it opens below 17,200, so I'm looking for targets of 17,150. So this is my first target. And then if I could see even more bearishness in the market, so then I'll look for 17,050 as well. So it all depends upon how it opens tomorrow. So as of now, when I'm recording this video, so I could see SGX Nifty is trading around 17,190. So it's a little kind of negative view for tomorrow as of now. And this is not the base actually, so it could be changed because SGX Nifty will open around 6:30 in the morning. So anything can happen. So that's my Nifty view. Short below 17,200 for target of 17,150. And if you could see more bearishness, 17,050 is the another more, like 17,050 is one more target. So don't be very strict towards the targets. Like if you are 10 points or 5 points away from the target, just book, because nowadays what's happening, so there was so much of stop loss hits are happening because the market is more of sideways, so stop loss are hitting left and right. So don't take a number of trades, just take one or two. And if your mindset, like if you feel like if you are really confident about the trade, then only you just take the trade, or else make sure you are following very good risk reward ratio. So actually uh, today I have taken this trade, but I'm okay because my stop loss is very less, so it's fine. So it's like a very boring day for me today, so I was just observing the ranges, but then yeah, it's acted almost within the range of previous candle. So on the long side, yeah, so on the long side only above 17,350. So before it crosses 17,350, I won't be taking any long positions in the Nifty. So if it crosses 17,350, my target would be around 17,410, as I mentioned yesterday. So the same thing holds good for tomorrow as well. And coming to the Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty also, actually today Bank Nifty showed so much of resistance. Like if you could see, the Bank Nifty has fallen only 0.28%, whereas the Nifty has fallen almost 0.6%. So the Bank Nifty also has almost been in the range of previous day. So Bank Nifty, I'll be going short if it falls below 36,742 for targets of 36,550. So almost 200 points. I'm looking for 200 points on the short side. And the long side, yeah, once again, like if it crosses 37,070, then only I'll go for long. And to be even more secure, 37,150. like you can just take trade this way, like 37,000 70 if it crosses, so you can enter the long side for targets of 37,140 or 150. And even if you could see some more bullishness in the market, so it is 37,363, almost 200 points from there. So it all depends upon how the market opens tomorrow. And please do keep in mind that tomorrow is an expiry, so don't take any kind of over trades in terms of buy side, especially because there will be premium decay. So when there is a premium decay, so though you have bought I mean like very nearby options, there will be a very fast time decay. So just be careful like on the expiry days, unless you are really well versed about this kind of strategies, or else unless you are very well versed about the direction, so don't go for any kind of trades. Coming to the stocks, so tomorrow I'm looking for short side on polycaps, because so the polycap why I have given short side, like you could see it's a very big bearish candle here, and then it crossed my trend line, so which is a negative indication. So I'll go on short for polycap below 2450 for targets of 2410, so 40 points. My stop loss would be around 2465, so 15 points is my stop loss, and then 40 points is my target. 1:3 risk reward ratio. And then Aravindo Pharma also I'm looking on the short side below 690, so my target would be around 680, so which is 10 points. My stop loss would be around 693, so which is just 3 to 4 points. So 1:3 risk reward ratio. So coming to the Delta Corp, which we have discussed yesterday, so I told like you can go short below 291 with a stop of 300, but I have thought like I mean like I have given a target of 281. It's okay, but our direction is really clear, like it's a even more confirmation that I believe tomorrow Delta Corp will be crossing 280 as well, will be reaching this 281 level as well, because you could see like one reversal candle for an upside move, and then followed by one of the bearish candles, so which is an very good indication for the reversal. So definitely I'm looking like 280 would be the target for the Delta Corp if it crosses today's low of 286. Reliance, yesterday I discussed about the Reliance as well, like it just crossed the trend line, but it's I told the first target is 2358, but it almost reached till 2361. But if you could see the Reliance, it closed below the trend line, which is a little painful and stressful for the Nifty as well. So I mean like majority weights of the Nifty are on bearish mode actually, to say. So not really sure how the market will be for the coming days, because Reliance is on the negative mode, and Bajaj Finance, if you could see, it was almost complete bearish mode. So and then Bajaj Finserv as well, like it's also into complete bearish mode. But then let's see, like if they could see if they could take any kind of supports, and then if they would get back, then definitely Nifty may be going up. But then like yeah, like when these kind of weighted stocks are in deep stress, so then definitely Nifty would be under stress as well. Like Nifty, if you could see, it has corrected almost 1 or 3 points. So the Reliance has corrected, and Bajaj Finance, and then Bajaj Finserv has corrected almost 3% and 2%. So definitely that kind of stress will be there on the Nifty as well. And coming to the Ipca Laboratories, as yesterday I discussed, it hasn't crossed our trend line yet. So keep in watch. Once it crosses our trend line, definitely I'll go long. So India Mart is one more new addition here. So it was taking support at the trend line, and then very good support at 7117. So I'll be going long with a stop of 7100, and my target would be around 7200, and even more on India Mart, because it can fly like crazy. So one day is sufficient for India Mart, like it can make 200 to 300 points more. So here I'll be following only stop loss. Target wise I'll be looking for 7300 or even more 7400. So it's not a kind of intraday trade. So actually yesterday I told Naukri as well. So Naukri with a stop of 5,300, we have taken it at 5,360, and actually I have mentioned in the group to book at 5,440 itself. But never mind, that's okay. Well, like we reached our target for 5,480 as well. If someone hasn't followed the same in the group, but you could see here there is one kind of resistance here once again. So but then, like for Naukri, definitely if it crosses 5,510, then definitely I'll be going once again the long on this Naukri, because so you could see that there was so much of correction happened in this stock. So that is the reason like why I am bullish on this. But then you have to see the broad picture as well. Like once the Nifty is negative, so definitely that stress will be there on the other stocks also. But today, if you could see, the Naukri, it has went up by 2.09%, which is really good. Respect of the Nifty has fallen down. The Naukri has gone up. So I think this is pretty much in my list for tomorrow. So on sell side, Polycab, Oroforma, and Delta Corp and Reliance, and on buy side, India Mart and Ipca Laboratories after crossing the trend line. So with that note, thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe to our channel for more interesting updates, and click the like button like if you like this video, and please do share this video with your friends if you really feel this video is helpful for you. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.